If you want to call and set up a voicemail on Motorola Edge 7 Diffusion, first of all we can open the phone app. Now once you go to the phone app, then in here we're gonna switch to the keypad, and you can just simply press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. If needed, select your SIM as well. This should help you call the voicemail, and then of course you can follow instructions in order to set it up. Now, if you cannot really reach voicemail like that, if you press and hold number 1 and the speed dial doesn't work, you can go back to the home page and tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner, and then you want to open the settings. Now over here in settings, we're gonna go to voicemail, then choose your SIM, and in here you want to go to advanced settings. And then in here you can find the setup option, which allows you to change the voicemail number. So the voicemail number in here might be incorrect, and you might need to fix it. Of course, you can, for example, Google this information, like what is the voicemail number of your carrier or service provider, and then you can write it in here and save your changes, and then you should be able to speed dial voicemail to call it easily. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.